Rising like the smoke, you linger on me. You got me so high, I can finally breathe. Alright guys, we are back in the building with another unit from samsbeauty.com, but this is the brand Freetress Equal. So we do have the braided lace wig, but this is the million twist version. It's not braided, okay? It's just twisted. So it's a million gazillion twisties. So I'm getting ready to take her out of the package just to see what she is giving. And yeah, one thing I can say straight out of the package, I always look when I'm getting braided wigs or twisties or things like that, I want to make sure that the twisties are the same size. And I applaud whoever handmade this unit because it was handmade. I applaud your fingers. I bless you. I bless your fingers because I know they was hurting after this. I love the consistency. The twisties were all the same size. This is the parting area that you have. That's the only area you have to part. I mean, you can shift the wig to the left or right, but you can't move the braids over because the way it was constructed. So as you guys can see, this is the way it was constructed. It wasn't made. It's not a lace front, so it's not made to like go up in a ponytail, and you just can't do things like that. Okay, you just can't. Sorry. They did include baby hairs in the back, but I'm like, for why? You know, we can't really put it up. I mean, we can, but then it's gonna look like a wig. So yeah, it comes with the standard combs, of course, and a drawstring for the extra security. My head is big, y'all, and it's fit snug. I'm sorry, it didn't fit snug. It fit big into, I keep saying fat and it's fit. It fitted big until I put the drawstrings on. So it is big head friendly. That's what I'm really trying to say. So y'all, I just love the neatness of this unit. So let's plop this bad boy on to see what we're working with. So this is what she is looking like when I put her on. Okay, now like I said, they did provide you with guidelines for baby hair, which is awesome. I feel like baby hairs make a unit look, you know, realistic at times. I don't know. We'll get into that later. But as you guys can see, I am shifting the part to see what side I want it on. I was going in because I was like, why is this so flat? Why is this part so flat? Why it's laid down? And I realized, as you guys can see, you can't put this up in the ponytail. Look at it. You see it? But I realized the way they sewed it so it would lay extremely flat. Now you could cut it, but it probably would be all over the place and in your face. And I get why they did it. I'm gonna zoom in a minute because I was like, what's going over here? Why can't move this? Why I can't? But as you guys can see, it's string. It's, you know, they sewed them down so it could lay extremely flat. So I was messing with the concept. I really liked it, okay? Because I'm like, I'm not one to have stuff just falling. Like, literally, if you didn't have that there or if you cut that off, it's just going to hang right directly in your face. It's not going to stay at a, you know, a slight angle. So, yeah, this is what she's looking like. We about to, you know, mess with her a little bit, try to make her feel like my own. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into the baby hairs. You guys already know the deal when it comes down to the baby hairs and how I create them. I'm just using, I think on this method I used it, got to be hairspray and the gel. The baby hairs, I don't think I did too bad of a job, but I feel like if they had at least created a lace portion for this, it would have been flawless. Like, it would have been slayed, okay? But I just feel like they just added a little bit of baby hairs, and it's like I had to maneuver with them. Like, some of the baby hairs were too long, so when I swooped, it's like, where are the baby hairs going? So because I normally do either thicker, sometimes thick and long baby hairs. And, you know, you can swoop them right into your wig, or, you know, but with this method, it's like you have to tuck it under the unit because it's like, it looks stupid if you just leave it there and it's just like sitting in between the twists like, hey, what's up, sis? I'm here. So I wasn't too fond of the concept of the baby hairs. Like, you see me swooping, I'm like, if I push it into the twisties, it's just like, it's gonna stand out. I mean, I could have cut it mad short, but still, ew, you know? So you, like I said, you can cut it shorter, like you see me cutting off pieces, but majority of the pieces I had to stick underneath of the wig, so it won't look like, hey, she just has a baby hair just sitting there, you know. So that's why I wish they would include a lace section, because it would have blend more seamlessly, you know, that way. But I'm gonna let y'all watch these and I'll be back. All right, guys, so I'm taking some concealer and place it on the part just to give it color. I didn't really need to do that. I look back at the clip. I'm like, why did I add concealer? Because it looked like I widened up the part. I got concealer on the twisties. And y'all, I was just in here trying to ruin this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful unit. Like, sis, what was you doing? Okay, so this is what it would look like if you just leave it as is. It would just be straight. It would just be hanging your face. And I think it's pretty cute. Like I said, I want to applaud the person who hand-made this unit because I'm like, it's fire. Okay, it's fire. I feel like these units are very quick. Like, this unit didn't take me at all to style. Okay, literally, if you don't want to put it in a style, you can just do your baby hairs and really go out the door. So it's very convenient. I'm just going to show you guys a few styles that I came up with. Like I said, my go-to when I get either twisties, micros, box braids, any of that jazz, I always do buns. That's the purpose of me getting them. I just want to wear them up. But since this unit, you cannot put it up in a ponytail, I had to try to, create a style that, would be suitable for me. I haven't worn units like, well, I haven't had my hair done in this style in a long time. So it was hard for me getting, to just adjust to this look. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this unit. Like I said, I think it's freaking flawless. I love the concept. Y'all already know the improvements I said or suggested that the company to make, and it's very minor. I feel like that part in the middle, though, it doesn't go as flat as I would like it to go, because I feel like it's just not flat. Like, the middle part is not just flat. It's like a little bulky up there. So if somebody comes close to your head, they can really tell that's a unit. I'm not gonna lie, they're gonna be able to tell. Like, you can't tell on camera because I'm far away, but up close you can see the, like, it doesn't lay extremely flat. And that's the whole concept of adding the lace with this. It would have been freaking flawless. Now, all these gems and stuff I'm adding on my hair, I'm trying to personalize it and make it, feel just like I got out of a salon chair, but I didn't, or one of them African chairs, how would it be when you get your hair done? So I went to Sally's. I actually had these a long time ago, but I went to Sally's and purchased this stuff. So, I just customized it and just try to make it feel at home. But like I said, overall, I love the consistency of this unit. It's very quick, and it's cute, and it's long. And yeah, I mean, you could cut it if you guys want it all even. I know there's a lot of people who don't like different lengths, because you can definitely see a different in length. It's not like a blunt cut or anything, but you can just do that on your own time. But sis, I really think it's cute. I'm going to turn around so you can show the back, and it's very full. It's no sparse areas or nothing. Like, sis, you can't tell me. Well, you can if you come up close, but far away, you can't tell me I just didn't get my hair done. Okay. So I think I have one more style left that I try, and it's just, tying some string around it. And don't mind me, y'all, I couldn't find my gold string, so I had to switch out my beads, my little jewel things, and I'm just tying my hair in the back. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I'm just, pinning it up, tying it back, and tucking all the, sticking all pieces down into like a little bun. But I added gold jewelry on this, and I couldn't find my gold string, so I switched it all to silver, and that's pretty much it. So I mean, these styles are very simple. I think it's cute. I think it's laid back and cute. But let me know what you guys think. I just want to know you guys' opinion. Is this a yay or is it a nay? Okay. So that is it, and that is all. Leave your comments down below. The link to this hair will be down there as well. And until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.